skirt?
My older brother lives.
Ah, skirt. It's Aliona style eh.
Ayaw mahaba siya.
How I do it?
Yeah, parang
Oh, yeah, that's beautiful.
but it's more your style, no, babe.
Yeah, can you try?
Yeah.
Is it from 50?
No, it's one.
I told myself, mali si Yona yung... Anyone remember from what budget?
Naglison ba siya? Ako mo? Naglison sa kamo? Amo? Nag-concept siya din eh? Ah. Si Jagani ang nagpalit duha ka buhok. Kaya pa mo gatag. Ah. Uy mo kas 50. Kuli ang kura ng Gcash. Uy, ihatag ko ra itong 2 years na tag-jiso na kanluloy. Ako ray kuan nito ibayad. Ha? Pila man sab?
Tanawa, maglisod man ko dili kikita no.
Amo ini si Jalen? Ani ija an ini? Aw doblehon. O man na di man. Okay ra man lin.
Dili pamubuan pa ko no. Maglisod man ko pa.
Pili nga mo.
Mobi hala mo po it.
Dili ba paigo kay tuyo raman sila kalini na 21 gud ka buo.
Okay ra man. Gana man.
Lagi pag sukbot man ba maglisod man kadi man adjustable.
Ay dapat i-adjust parehas dun sa naatukuan. Ilaong jaon.
Masuyod na laki balik.
Uy, Ming, umanini mangkaw. Ming.
Tungod mangud kay naka.
Umay mo Ming.
Amo daon.
Si kuan ini ngayan si sino pa ngayon ni Chi?
Nayagan na ka sila ya.
Dili rin ngayon ni Michelle si
Itong puti man. No.
si uy, kalimutan ko gana daw ang ngayan.
Sino lagi ino nga yan? No?
Sakto raman lin.
Make them shorter. Make them shorter.
Himo alin na parehas sa tun ato lin. Paghimo ng gamay.
Dari gani amo na gani ini nang kay
Para pag bira-bira.
Dili naman gyapon magamit ang short, no?
Mm.
I-continue na kang daon pero ang magsunod mubuin na ati.
Mm.
Continue na kang gibali daon.
Then, like, it can be like that, like this. And it's a bit sad.
ini sa
Daon. Daon na tintawan si
Nagisinak si Daryl. Ha?
Lalo as good as.
I think I have a new workshop for you.
Ah.
We'll show you soon.
New place, new workshop. Where is it? In the north.
Yeah, in Garcia.
Garcia.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So you prefer, I think, no? A better workshop. You prefer?
Happy birthday.
It's there. Castle. Yeah. I put it in a place. Come for shopping. Welcome to the place where you can spend your money. How much is this? It's so much money. 100? That's not bad. I think it's not 100. Oh, it's 1 pound. It's 1 pound.
Yan. With the curiosity na marketing natin.
It's so nice. Maybe you try this one.
Umatagbutangan man si Janan.
Nagka-scratch man si Jan ng ija, ng tail.
Ah,
Kaya nilagyan siya niyan. Kawawa nga eh.
parang ano, trumpet.
Oh my gosh. Leona, I think it's Leona, look at this list. Like a mermaid and this. Leona, some of you si Leona.
Expressing sorry stimulation.
Coco necklace.
It's like a part of my brain is different.
Yeah, made from coconut.
My brain is different.
This one.
Yeah. Oh, it's perfect. That's nice.
Yeah, but the many designs is there. Arlene, made by Arlene.
Windshield wiper. I'm still thinking if I should get it or not.
But try it first.
Like going inside and mag-
No, okay. Try your bikini already. Try it here. She can take a photo.
Should it go there?
Yeah.
Hi! Ani Edo ba may katawa man ako?
This is so nice. From whom is this? Charlie?
Yeah. It's good for you. For disco. For
I
disco.
got them from. It's a black one piece thing. That one is
This is the blankest.
Yes, I was actually thinking of removing.
This one is good for concert. Mag-concert.
Rock concert.
And
Or
disco.
this one, like one shoulder thing. You're like a goddess.
It's for the bachelorette party. For the
Yeah.
Bachelorette
Party
party.
party.
Who is this?
Ukay.
From whom is this?
I don't know specifically. They were donated to
for
like people. Maybe Georgia. Actually, there's new Converse.
Wow,
shoes,
look
too.
at the pants. That pants is really nice. Also the color and
There's
the
a
cover.
couple of these.
You can just
Siguro kan Georgia. Kay taas si Georgia. Grabe ka taas.
Lucia to stitch it if you want it to.
So many.
You can find them. What's wrong, Yuna?
The one I like.
Sunny, you have Gcash? Because I have my this one. 10 pesos.
Yeah, that's wonderful.
Yeah. They gave me Gcash number.
Yes. For sure. Oh, you happy?
Yeah.
She's saving. We're gonna go travel.
Yeah, this is 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And this is her.
Yeah. That's wonderful.
Bali 60.
Okay, sige.
Yeah.
Discuss it and then you can ask the CEO.
Wala, full. So I will put 60 there for Leona. I'm going to do.
Tagalin mo na yung presyo, girl.
No, me bayad. Kalyo na.
You can scan this.
Ay, okay.
I can even add the amount.